This is 6th grade language, week 32. Day 1, box 1. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Have fun storming the castle. Remember, always start with interrogative. Is it a question? Then go to exclamatory. Is there an exclamation point? Is it an exciting sentence? Then imperative. Is it a command? Then declarative. Is it just a normal statement? Day 1, box 2. Make the following singular nouns plural. Dear. Now this one's a tricky one, so think about it. 1 dear, 2, and if you have trouble, look it up. Day 1, box 3. Write the possessive form. A few ram. Now a few means it will be plural, so you'll have to make ram plural first and then possessive. Remember, apostrophe S is singular, S apostrophe is plural. Day 1, box 4. Circle the better word choice. Decimate or destroy. Which one is more descriptive? Day 2, box 1, and Day 3, box 1. Circle the complete predicate. Lee is my best friend. First, find your subject. What is the sentence about? What is the main noun what is the main noun of this sentence? Then circle that as your subject. Then for day 2, what the subject is doing is your predicate. Day 2, box 2. Add punctuation to make this sentence correct. And there are 3 punctuation marks. All tiger species, especially the South China tiger, are endangered. Remember, we pause naturally where we need commas. Day 2, box 3. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Sometimes my aunt will predict what will happen in the future. The definition of that word predict is right there in the sentence if you use your context clues. However, if you still can't figure it out, then use your dictionary or online tools. Day 2, box 4. Circle the misspelled word and spell it correctly. Tom briefly considered eating the lasagna, but chose the fettuccine instead. This one is actually one of the tougher ones, so remember, take out the ones that you definitely know are spelled correctly, then look up the ones that you're not sure of. Day 3, box 1, we've already completed. Day 3, box 2. Complete the analogy. Rose is to flower as birch is to... So a rose is a flower, so what is a birch? Day 3, box 3. Circle the nouns in the sentence below, and there are 2 of them. Julie wants to buy another car. Remember that nouns are people, place, thing, or idea. And I'll give you a hint. There is a person and there's a thing in this sentence. Day 3, box 4. Her eyes were fireflies. Alliteration, that's your Sally sells seashells, where they all sound the same at the beginning. Onomatopoeia, those are your sound words like boom, crash, zoom. Simile, that's when you're comparing 2 unlike things while using like, as, or than, like I am like a bear in the mornings. Metaphor, that's when you compare 2 unlike things without using like, as, or than, such as I am a bear in the morning. Irony, that's when you expect one thing but kind of get the opposite, such as a police officer gets pulled over for speeding. Personification, when you give something not human, human-like qualities. And hyperbole, that's when you exaggerate. Day 4, box 1. Circle the adjectives, and there's 1. This is the prettiest hat in the window. Find your noun and decide what is describing it. Day 4, box 2. Circle the adverbs. The campers wearily climbed the 7-mile hill. I'll give you a hint. How did they climb? Day 4, box 3. The meeting is scheduled for late evening. So how is the word late being used? Notice what word is following it to help you figure out. Day 4, box 4. Circle the correct homophone. Pat ate pizza for dinner. Is it A-T-E or is it E-I-G-H-T? Think about how it's used in the sentence. Remember, if you have any questions, you may email me or use LiveGrade. Goodbye.